Hello guys, welcome to my channel Electrotech Center. Today we are going to learn how to interface LED with PIC18 microcontroller. So let's start from schematic design first. So for schematic designing we are using Proteus software. So here I have taken PIC18 microcontroller, connected one LED to RB0 pin, crystal, reset circuitry and push button to RC0 pin. You have to connect pull-up register because internal pull-ups are not available with this port. So this is all about connecting component to PIC microcontroller. So let's start to coding. For coding we are using MPLAB IDE. So in my previous video I have explained how to create project and add source file. So you can watch that video. So in this tutorial I will just explain this code. So here I have included header file xc.h and define rc0 pin and rb0 pin. In main I have configured addcon 1 register as I have explained addcon 1 register bits in my previous video. So for this RB port, to make RB port input output digital input output, we have to set last 4 bits of this addcon 1 register. So that I have done here. This B register we have to set 00 for making output pins, as we have connected this LED to RB0. We have to make this TRISB port 00. TRISC register we have to set all pins of TRISC, as I have connected my input key to RC0 pin. In while I am continuously checking key status whether it is pressed or not. If key is pressed, I am making LED on. Otherwise, if key is not pressed, I am making this LED off. So this is all about coding. Now let's generate hex file. In production you have to click on build main project, so hex file will get generated. So here you can see build successful. Now load this hex file inside our controller. So double click on controller, upload your hex file, click on OK. To see output you have to start simulation. So here you can see LED is not glowing because you have not pressed the switch. So whenever switch is pressed, your LED will glow. So this circuit and program is working properly. So in next tutorial we will see how to interface LCD 16:2 to this microcontroller and how to write code for that. So thank you for watching this video. We will see in next video how to interface LCD.